Guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're already part of the Earth team, thank you so much for your love and support. And if you're here for the very first time, please consider subscribing to my channel and become part of our amazing family. You're gonna love it here. So in today's video, I will be showing you a simple and easy way to decorate your flower vases. Yes, I'm going to be teaching you how I achieved this masterpiece. I also like to have unique and gorgeous decorations in my home. I love adding decorative touches to my home. Okay, I have a fetish for vases. I love them small, big, colored, or a plain of different sizes and colors. Just name it. This is the vase we will be using for our little project, and I got it from an Italian shop. Decorating with glass vases can actually bring elegance and charm to a room, especially when there is adequate space to accommodate these vases. They also draw attention to other items in the room like furniture and painting. I chose a flower vase because it can pull a variety of looks. Like I said before, I got this flower vase from an Italian shop with very beautiful decorative items. And we also have other decorative items we are going to use to decorate our flower vase. These ones I got from a supermarket, a Chinese supermarket called Panda Supermarket. I actually used some of it. As you can see, this is open. I made a small vase, which I think I will have to make another tutorial showing you how I did it. Okay, let's make some magic. Make sure your flower vase is very clean. Okay, I don't know if it's clear. Let's see. I'm sorry, let's see. The first decorative item we're going to put into our flower vase will be a pink decorative stones. Yes, it's got other other little stones inside, because the first decoration I did, I mixed them up. Okay, and all right, in goes a pink decorative stone. Okay, in goes a pink decorative stones, like so. Beautiful, right? Pink like my dress. Bella, right? Let's go. Okay, let's put some more. All of it actually. Okay, there you go. Okay, you want to make sure it's on the same line. Okay, I think it's okay. And next, let's move on to this. As you can see, it's a different size and different color. Okay, so in goes my stone. one-sided. Okay, I hope you can see properly. Can see. I hope you can see clearly. Okay. Yes. Again, let's put some this out. Okay. Well, you actually want to make sure when looking from the outer parts of the glass, you see, you can see the colors. Okay, you want to see the colors clearly. All right, you show the differences. Okay, that's the beauty of the vase. Let's make it go higher. Okay, and here we go. Like I said, make sure all the colors are showing when you look from the outer part. Okay, this goes in like this. This goes in like this. Not only yellow, let's choose green. The green goes in, and another yellow. Oh my gosh. Okay, like this is better. Put your green, and this goes in like this. No. Good. Good. Another. Okay. Okay. Fine. And you got this. This goes in like this. Okay. Okay. And lastly, this. I won't be using this because we don't want it to be too much. Okay, we want to see every beauty. Okay, here we go. Can you see? You see? You see that? Beautiful, right? I don't know if my camera is clear enough. Okay, let's turn it. This is the different colors. Different colors. The green, the yellow. You see? And the flower. Make sure you can see every stone from the outer part of the flower vase. Okay. So let's find a spot for this. Come with me. And there you go, a beautiful flower vase. This simple decorative vase can provide unexplainable elegance and add style and grace to our home. Let's make sure everything is well arranged, okay? To make sure you can see every stone from the outer part. Beautiful, 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 right? And that will be all for this amazing video. Thank you so much for watching till the end. If you really want to see more of these amazing projects, please do not forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. And make sure you leave a comment. Will you be trying to decorate a new flower vase? You should try it. Okay, see you in my next video. Ciao, ciao!